Real? You guys weren't even born. You weren't even born. Can you imagine? You still have it and it works fine. It still has battery from the 90s. I don't know who was first with custom ringtones. Maybe it was Ericsson. But I remember my uncle showing me how to do custom ones, and he showed me how to do Imperial March from Star Wars. That was fucking wow, mind blowing. Fuck these fuckers. I got motherfucking Star Wars. Hell yeah. This one has custom ones too. Nah, I mean like you play on your. You play on your. You play on your note. On your numpad, right? And you make your own music based on that. Oh, 3310 had that? Okay. I never had a 3310. I got my phone a little bit later. But I mean... No, I'm not a fake boomer. My classmates had the 3310. But I was just... I didn't have a phone. I didn't have a phone! Still don't need a phone. Overrated. Yeah, I was poor in Swedish standards. So I was just your average Europoor country. Good times, good times.
Try this.
Oh God!
What did you do for a living? I was in elementary school.
It's gone bad. Although whatever, it probably didn't have far to go.
Wait a minute. Let me see that. You're right. This is not good. The underpart's a little better.
What is it?
I don't know. It's got a crunch, but I don't think that's on purpose.
Oh, hello, Raymond.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning your fridge. I thought it was just one item, but once I open it, well, dear, it's not good news.
Ma, you probably shouldn't be doing this. Oh, all right, do it to that. Just hurry up before she gets back.
What else you got?
You finished that?
Yep.
And now we wait.
What did you buy, Raymond?
Oh, well, no, it's nothing.
Oh, something sensitive.
What is it?
No, it's just shirts.
You bought shirts? By yourself?
Yes.
Let's see these shirts.
I would not be comfortable with that, all right?
Why the hell not?
Because they're undershirts.
Are you trying to hide
Mind your
something?
business, Ma, all right?
Sensuopoly. The board game of love and intimacy.
It's a gag gift that I got for a friend of mine who loves gags.
Oh, really? And who is this lover of gags? Would his name start with an R and end with an amen?
Give me the game.
I've heard of these games are for adults only.
Oh, my God.
Gonna spice things up, eh, Racy?
Dad, no, it was just.
Oh, Raymond, another sex game?
What are you talking about?
Well, it's like the other one you had when you were younger, with all the colored dots.
Twister?
Don't think I didn't know what was going on downstairs.
What? I played with Robert.
I don't want to hear anymore.
This game must be Deborah's doing.
Well, it's not.
I should have guessed when I opened the fridge with 2 bottles of white wine. Are you swingers?
All right, Mom. You just asked if I was a wife swapper.